Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with an eyewitness. This is Rachel, the bird hunter. And her handy dandy.
I just swooped it right out.
Not good for floors. Will also get rid of birds. Obviously the bird we had was retarded because it was perched up there, then it fell behind the curtain, and then it spent like 5 minutes trying to climb out the window. Okay, we could not open the window. There is a screen over there. And so Rachel very bravely had to stand on a chair. That's Rachel, yeah. The bird hunter had to stand on a chair, move the curtain as I caw at the door. What in the world? We've never had a bird in the fireplace before. And so, ladies and gentlemen, ends our adventure. Thanks to Rachel, the bird hunter.